We are at the North Carolina Welcome Center, and I'm going to attempt to do what I done 2 years ago. I'm just going to walk around casually and see what I can find. Oh, look, there's one. Is there one over here? No. Let's see if it's the same. It's that same Lennox unit from 2 years ago. Let's see if I can see it. I'm not going to go back here because I really don't want to get in trouble, but Lennox. Now let's see what else I can find. Oh, can't go this way. Let's go this way. Oh, I'm cold. Brr. That's the Welcome Center. If I can remember, there were 2 or 3. I don't know. I am way down here. Do I really care? No. I saw one of the Lennox units from 2. Oh, there. Oh, hello. I'm not going near you. Okay, so I'm not going that way because there's a squirrel that looked kind of funky, but yep. And now let's take a look at the map over here. This is kind of a different video than 2 years ago because I don't feel like walking. Yep. Here's where we are. Is toward Asheville. There's Charlotte. Yep. Let's go this way. I'm gonna go into the Welcome Center in a minute. See what I can find. All the doors are open, so I gotta be careful. Oh, sweet. Remember this one? Yep, 3.5 ton from 04. That's for everything else. So this is going on long enough. This is just a... Can I see the air handler from here? No. But yeah, I'm going to go in the Welcome Center now and see what I can find. Well, we'll just take a glimpse of everything here. Anyways, over and out. I got a video of a crossing the border from South Carolina into North Carolina, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. But I'm going to also film at the Welcome Centers. This video is probably going to go up at the hotel. I'm cold as crap. You can see the mountains from here. Anyways, I'm going to go in now. Over and out.